In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone not turning on with a black screen. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, if your iPhone screen is black and won't turn on, it's likely stuck in a software crash state or has completely drained battery. So the most easy way is the force restart method. It's the most effective way to jumpstart a frozen iPhone, and it clears the short-term memory without deleting any data. So press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button on the other side, which is the power button, and just keep holding it even if the screen stays black. Just keep doing that until you see the Apple logo. Note that this can take up to about 30 seconds on newer models like a 16 or a 17, but just don't let go until that logo appears. If the force restart didn't work, your battery might be deeply discharged. So what you gotta do is plug your phone into a wall outlet. Avoid USB ports on laptops for this, and use a high wattage, so like over 20 watts, and use an Apple USB adapter if possible as well. Wait 30 minutes, so don't touch it at all while it's charging, because a severely dead battery might not even show the charging icon for the first 10-15 minutes. And after 30 minutes, try the force restart again while the iPhone is still plugged in, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.